if you are part of the Amazon Influencer Program, then you can earn commissions for qualifying purchases. And that's from reviews, from video reviews of products that you can buy on Amazon. Now, in this video, I'm going to walk you through my process for creating those review videos. First of all, of course, you need to be a member of the Amazon. You need to join the Amazon Influencer Program. And I do have a link in the description below. And then you monetize your content with the Amazon Influencer Program. And they give you tools. You don't even need to drive traffic to Amazon. People who are already on Amazon may see your videos or your pictures, and they will say, okay, I'm going to watch that video, and then they'll click and order something. And if it's a qualifying purchase, if it's in the right category, then you start to get some commission, which is great. Now, what you have to do is first apply for the Amazon Influencer Program. I'll include a link in the description. You then need to get approved. This requires you to take three videos, or that's what it was when I did it in January 2023. 3 videos, and they were really just sample videos that had fulfill their qualifications. You don't talk about price. You can say that something is good value. You don't say things like buy it now, or click on the link below, or subscribe to my channel, or please follow me. You don't say any of that stuff. And there are some other rules that you should follow, and you're creating these really short, simple videos so that people can watch your video, watch some of it, and then buy the product or buy a similar product. So let me walk you through my process for creating those videos. The first thing is I find a product that I own or I have access to. Now, it doesn't mean that you have bought the product from Amazon itself, but it's got to be for sale on Amazon itself. And if you've got access to the product, maybe you visit a friend or a family member and you like their vacuum cleaner, and you do a video review of that. You can really do video reviews of pretty much anything. It's really just amazing. And so I've done reviews of plates, of bowls, of dishes, of books, of pens and AirPods and all kinds of things, cleaning materials, so many things. Okay, before you go and plan out a video or create the video, make sure that you can find that product on Amazon. Now, if it comes in different colors, you don't have to find the exact color that you have got. So you want to find the product on Amazon and then record the ASIN, copy and paste it into a spreadsheet, the Amazon Standard Identification Number. And that is going to be important for 2 reasons. One is that you need to know that this product is actually still available on Amazon. And the other one is that it's going to make it a whole lot easier for you when you go to create your video. Let's get back to my process. So I'm going to record the ASIN, and then I'm going to prepare the review. So let's say I'm doing a review of this pen. Now, a pen is not going to give me a whole lot of commission of earnings, but let's say that I'm doing a review. So I'm going to, I may even just use my mobile phone, and I'll speak about the pen. And I'm going to prepare the review first in my mind, maybe take a few notes. What did I like about it? Especially get very specific. What problems did this solve? Oh, I was always losing pens, and now I bought a whole bundle of them, which I use all the time. Now, Amazon recommends some best practices. They say you want to inspire customers to find and discover new products. And so demonstrate it to see a product in action. And so that might mean that you don't even go on camera. I did a review of some shaving gear, and I just showed how the blades connect to the handle, to the shaver itself, and I didn't even have my face on camera for some of those videos. You get descriptive, who it's for, why is it different from some other comparable products, maybe why it's better. Now, very important, you only tag the products that are featured in your video, okay? And so those are the ones that are featured. If I've got something in the background that I don't even mention, I'm not going to tag that. I'm only going to tag the ones that I am showcasing, if you like, that I'm showing off in my video. Ideally, I only do one product per video. You can do 2 or 3. You can do more, but I believe from memory that the videos are only going to be shown if there are. Now, ideally, I only tag one product in a video. You might do 2, you might do 3. Now, products that have got variations of size and color, you don't have to tag every variation of those products. This is from Amazon Influencer's own page. Just tag the most accurate one, and Amazon will auto-associate the rest. That's pretty cool. And then you go ahead and actually record the video. So once again, the aim here is not to be slick, not to be really polished. You don't want it to look like an official product video. You want it to say, hey, I found this microphone. I found it really, really helpful. I think the cable is a bit too long, and you have to tie it up. It's whatever it is that you want to say. You are just speaking about your own experience actually using the product. That is the purpose of these videos, is to show what it's like in real life. Now, ordinarily, you don't want to be making really harsh criticisms. You probably just don't want to review products that you really, really don't like. But certainly speak the truth, and do it in a way that's a very diplomatic way. Okay, if there's something that you don't like, don't say, oh, this product is rubbish. No, don't say that. Just say, look, I think this product would have done a lot better if it was available in different colors or in a smaller size or a larger size or something. So you prepare the video. And now, as I mentioned before, good shoppable videos, that's what these are sometimes called by Amazon. They do one of two things. They help inspire customers to find and discover new products, or they help customers feel confident, so they reassure them in their purchase decision. So when it comes to actually recording the video, as I say, you can use your smartphone, you can use a webcam. I really do not get very high tech with all of this. You want to make sure that your lighting is decent enough, and you want to have a microphone, an external microphone, especially if you're in a noisy environment. But you want to ideally do it in a really quiet environment if you can. You don't want to have any big distractions in the background, traffic going past or something like that. My recommendation is to keep the product on camera for the entire video. Now, I am not permitted to share with you the back end of my own Shoppable channel. I can't show you my storefront with me logged into it, but I can include a link for you to go in and look at it and look at some of the videos yourself, and then you get a feel for how I do it. Other people do it differently. So you record the video. If you want to, you may need to do some editing. You may want to do some editing. Once again, I'd recommend that you don't make it too difficult for yourself. And then you can create a thumbnail as well. You don't strictly have to create a thumbnail, but these are the requirements. These are the recommendations from Amazon, that it's this size, 1920 by 1080, under 5 megabytes, and you can save it as JPG or PNG or 2 others. Now, You can create those thumbnails in Canva. That's how I usually do it. And then, of course, you upload the video. Now, when you upload the video, it needs to have a headline. You're going to be searching for that product using the Amazon Standard Identification Number, the ASIN. And so you tag your products. Then that video will take, sometimes it takes up to a day to get approved. And then once it's approved, eventually, it might take a few days, it will start to appear somewhere on Amazon. Okay, Amazon keeps moving the goalposts here. They keep shifting things around, and so your video may or may not appear in the carousel on a product page. People may come to your storefront. From my experience, you don't get many views from that. It's really primarily that your videos are just appearing at the bottom of a product page. Somebody buys the product, and then 60 days later, or the end of that month, it's quite a long time before you get paid. And the reason is that if somebody cancels or if they return, they've got 60 days from the day they order it, or the day of shipping. They've got 60 days to return it. And so if that gets returned, then that's going to be deducted from the amount that Amazon is going to pay you. But it's a great little program for you to be able to upload some videos and to earn some money. You can check out my channel. You can see the ups and downs of the Amazon influencer program from my own channel, and also check out the links in the description to this video. And if you get a chance, check out my storefront as well.